Hi, I'm Dave Feeny. We're here at the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Racing Workshop, and I'm Zach Osborne's mechanic. Starting from the front of the bike, Dunlop tires, MX32s, Pro Taper handlebars. Zach runs a Pro Taper race cut grip, Brembo brakes and clutch system, Nekken triple clamps, factory service engine, Bel-Ray lubricants, Talon hubs, XL A60 rims. Gut seat, full ribs, and a bump on the seat for location purposes. Custom grip tape.
Darling, tell me, does this really exist?
We have vent holes in the left side number plate to make the engine breathe a little better. RK chains, Pro Taper sprockets, FMF exhaust, Raptor foot pegs. Yeah, we run a Works Brembo rear brake caliper, Galfa rotors, Henson clutches, WP suspension. With Zach being a smaller rider, we use lower bar risers with lower bars. Foot pegs are still a standard height with a standard seat as well. We have some carbon fiber pieces on here to help lighten the bike up. Skid plate, chain guide, really cool carbon piece for running the stator wires through. We got some custom gas caps that are made from billet aluminum, which are really trick with the riders' names in them and the Husqvarna logo. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna workshops. Look for Zach Osborne at the West Coast Supercrosses.
I shut it down, so there wasn't a chance. And then suddenly I had this perfection.